Oh, valve covers off. 3.6 minivan. I heard this coming in. It was ticking. Ladies and gentlemen, the results are... This guy went straight to the side. Whoa. Wait a minute. Ooh, we got one right here and one right here. So, ladies and gentlemen, that bank 1 intake camshaft is no good. Alright. That's your ticking noise right there. He haven't took nothing apart. He just took the valve cover off to do tear down. Now you should do them all. Remember, guys, I say this all the time. I call it the JT field test. You need to rotate the engine to get the cam lobes off of the rock arm, because that will mask your reading. That will give you a wrong reading. Anytime you check rocker arms for play or looseness or broke, the cam lobes need to be facing up or either not on the rocker arm. Okay. See, now this one's so badly worn, even if it was on the rocker arm, you might still get that. But these rocker arms are just shot, guys. A lot of people keep trying to figure out oil. What kind of oil did they use? What kind of oil did they use? Guys, there is a possibility that the rocker arms are just made crappy. Okay, sure, lubrication is very important, but please do not disregard the fact that that rocker arm could have been made of poor quality. Okay, so again, I don't want to belittle the importance of the lubrication system. It is very important. In fact, you should use the best oil. You should do your research and use the best oil you seem to think would be beneficial to you and your car. Okay, but I just want to caution you against always blaming everything on oil. But when I do that, it sounds like I'm belittling the importance of oil as far as brand or the weight of oil. See, this car here calls for simple 5W20, right? Okay, now that's what the engineers came up with, the calculations they made when they designed this engine, and at what plant it was built in. They came to the conclusion that this engine would run its best efficient at the weight oil of 5W20. Now, as far as brand, I don't think they really get too into naming out a brand. All right, but here we use Valvoline. Okay, it's about the weight. They really want to make sure we put the correct weight of oil in it. Now, a lot of people quick to say this oil is too thin, or blah blah this and blah blah that. But again, there is a chance, guys, that the valve train parts are just crappy. All right, in this case, that's my theory behind it. All right, you're gonna get these little powder shavings on this. That's magnetic type. That's magnet, so it will try to pick up any of those little fine tooth powder shavings. But this is the tickle noise. I heard this coming in. All right, so that's what he got going on over here. I don't know if it's guys. I told y'all before, and don't dog me out, and don't dog the establishment out. We don't make the rules. If this car is under warranty, he's only allowed to replace the rocker arms that's failed, that's broken. I got fussed out about, I can't remember who that was. And guys, y'all know I got thick skin, so if you feel the need to dog me out or correct me, please, by all means, really do it all the time. I have no problem. Guys, let me know what's on your mind, okay? Tom Cook do it all the time. A lot of guys do it. If something's not sitting too well with you, let's discuss it. Okay, let's talk about it. Let's discuss it. But yeah, I catch a lot of flack for doing something that I'm made to do. Okay, even on my estimates, guys, I'll give you a prime example. My estimate, let's say the Dart with the exhaust system. A lot of people have a problem with, why are you replacing the whole cat converter? You got to understand, guys, when I write my estimate up, it gets changed by management. Management is in that cover your ass mode and trying to avoid lawsuits, so they will sometimes go for everything pertaining to that problem to correct it. Now, you can't lose if you replace everything related to that problem. Just say AC, your AC not cold. If you write up or you replace the compressor, condenser, the dryer, the everything, your AC has no choice but to work. Now, yes, that's an expensive estimate, but, and I'm not saying that's the tactics we indulge in. That's not what I'm saying. I'm saying when my manager can't get an accurate answer out of the customer, you go out and ask them, ma'am, who did this? I don't know why they did it. And then so his guards automatically goes up to the point where, well, we not finna take a chance with this. I mean, we don't know. She can't even tell us the history on why was this done. Was you trying to get an emission sticker or what? I looked at the tags. The birthday hasn't came and gone or anything like that. But and this has to not have just happened. This check engine light have to been on because the computer it wasn't tuned to compensate for that distance between the upstream and the downstream O2 sensor. So that check engine light has to have been on for a while, unless she just got the car. And then from that standpoint, yeah, she may not know. But my point, while I'm still over here, see, I'm going to end up using my whole slot on this. My point is, guys, we can only replace what's broken. Now, my man, he heard a ticking, came in ticking. He decided it's on this side. How he went by determining which side, I do not know. Everybody have their own strategy. Some people use a stethoscope. Some people use a screwdriver and put it on their ear. Whatever way he used, he got it right, obviously. It's back here. Now, he are to go and check. He's to go and check all these rock arms. I can personally feel 2. Will he just only replace 2? If it's under warranty, yes. Because those are the constraints we're under, guys. You know what's weird about that? A week later or a month later, this car can come right back with 2 more on the same head worn. Now, we got to put a cam on it because the cam failed. That's part of powertrain too. Again, I'm speculating. I don't know if this is under warranty or not. But if it's under warranty, we got to give her, technically, she's obligated to get replaced what has failed. Now, the camshaft didn't fail. The camshaft was a byproduct. It was ruined because a rocker arm failed. All right, y'all follow me? So because that happened, it is now also covered under warranty. So technically, let me say this again. If this car is under warranty, she's obligated for intake, bank 1, intake camshaft, and only 2 freaking rocker arms. At least that's all I felt. I haven't been all in it. And we're told to put it back together. The ticking will likely subside or go away for now. We're going to change the oil, at least try to sell a change. The oil change is not warranty, so we're going to at least try to change the oil in the filter, because hopefully some of those shavings got captured in the filter. Now, watch this video, guys. I show y'all. It's likely the needle bearings in this rocker is gone. And I'm going to tell you where they at. They're in the oil pan. So I want you to watch this video right here so you can see exactly where they are. I found them when I removed the oil pan one time to do a oil pump. But yeah, don't kill her. Don't shoot the messenger, guys. We're just doing what we're told, and a lot of the decisions inside of dealerships are made by managers, whether you like it or not. I'm talking about the mechanic, whether the mechanic like it or not. Why are we doing this? Just do it, or get your own shop. You have choices in life. We have choices, guys. I didn't mean to spend my bulk of my time on this vehicle, guys. I apologize, but there's no sludge buildup. So what makes you think oil and lubrication was the reason? Now, if this valve cover was heavily sludged, then yes, I would assume they wasn't changing the oil. In fact, that whole valve, that looked clean, right? Yeah. So it's a chance that this customer likely was changing their oil on time, doing what they were supposed to do. And unfortunately, some poorly built rocker arms decided to give out. And you know what's weird? When people call this fatal flaw, all he's going to do is replace these parts, and we might not never see this again. So how do you explain it being a flaw if all we did was replace parts? We didn't go in and turn the oil pressure up. We didn't go in and adjust anything. That has happened. There's many engines out there I've only just replaced parts. Never seen the car back again. I replaced parts with updated parts. Redesigned parts is what I'm getting at. So there's a chance that there is no freaking fatal flaw to the Hemi or the 3.6. This can be some fatally flawed design parts, valve train parts. Oh man, I can go on and on about this, guys, but I won't. All right, so that's all I have on this video. Thanks for watching.